China's top health officials are not backing down on the strict COVID policy amid large-scale protests. Instead, they are calling for local governments to refine on its lockdown arrangements. Here's Maisie Mok again.
Overnight protests against strict COVID measures have continued in the city of Hangzhou in Zhejiang province. Protesters were seen taken away by police. In today's weekly COVID prevention press briefing, China's top health officials gave no indications that COVID policies would be relaxed, but emphasized that each region should work on fine-tuning its prevention and control measures. When asked whether China is weighing its COVID control policy due to the large-scale protests, the National Health Commission said it has always been closely monitoring the situation.
For the containment and control measures, we are doing fine-tuning and modification continuously to the maximum extension. We are going to maintain and control the negative impacts to people's livelihood and lives.
He added that lockdown periods should be shortened with minimum disruptions in order to avoid inconvenience to the general population. Officials acknowledged that prolonged lockdowns affect people's mental health and gives rise to anxiety as they live in stressful conditions. Authorities also emphasized that classification of high-risk areas should be kept to a minimum, such as a single housing block rather than a whole neighborhood. They added local officials have set up working committees to deal with mandatory imposition of restrictions, and a task force is also in place to actively deal with complaints. Maisie Mok, HKIBC.